Hey, Mike here. So today we are going to dive deeper into the heart of Obsidian's text generator plugin as I show you the settings of model parameters. First up, we have max tokens. Imagine it as the leash for your AI creativity. So it defaults at 500 and it limits the total length of input and generated tokens, ensuring things stay manageable. I like to keep it at a comfortable 1000 because it gives me room to breathe and I don't have to tweak it constantly. You can adjust it here or use the command palette by searching set tokens. And so that allows you to set the tokens on the fly. You don't have to, hop into settings every single time that you want to change it. Next up, we have the temperature control. So this ranges from 0 to 2 and it's your AI's mood setter. A higher value, let's say zero point 0.8, adds a pinch of randomness to your output. If you go lower, like zero point 0.2, it becomes more laser focused. Unfortunately, you can't tweak this setting through your command palette. You have to do it directly through the actual settings as I'm, showing you right here. But who knows, maybe that'll change soon, granting us a little more on-the-fly flexibility. I keep this at the default value since I've seen nothing but positive results from it. Now keep in mind, I'd love to say that you can tinker with everything here straight from the command palette, which it would make things very easy. But truth be told, most settings are unchangeable except directly through settings. So you do have control over the model and token limit. Those seem to be the only ones changeable on the fly. Next in line, we have frequency penalty. So it's a number between -2 and 2. Positive values punish new tokens based on their appearance in the existing text. It's like nudging the AI to explore new horizons, new topics. It basically tells the AI if you want it to stay on topic and just continue generating about whatever it is that it started generating, or if you want it to, like I just said, take new horizons, talk about new topics, explore deeper, maybe change the subject a little bit. So hopefully that draws a good picture for you as to what frequency penalty means. So far, I haven't found the need to change it, but I may start tweaking it a bit because I found a few issues with too much variety rather than staying on topic. But this only happens on GPT 3.5 Turbo. When it comes to GPT 4, it seems to really solve that issue these days. Following that, we have the timeout setting, which is a default of 5,000 milliseconds, so 5 seconds. This one's simple. It's the deadline for your AI. If it takes longer, the request gets canceled. Personally, I don't change this because generations, they don't take longer than 5 seconds. As for the prefix setting here, prefix here is the magic word that goes at the start of your completion. The default is just a single space, but feel free to make it your own. An example prefix could be AI generated or something else that will allow you to understand that the following text is AI generated. Last but not least, enabling streaming for both generative text and generate text with metadata ensures a smooth flow of text generation. Now keep in mind, this doesn't count generations from your templates or titles. The live preview, aka streaming, will only happen when you generate on the spot with whatever context settings you have enabled. All right, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will be diving into the general settings and considered text sections. So see you then.